applause. Jipigeni makofi.
Asanteni sana. One more time, turn to your neighbor. DJ, my super DJ, DJ Dimore, are you ready? Kisumu, are you ready for some good time? I can't hear you. Let's do this, my super DJ. In 1, 2, 3, let's go. Hey! My super DJ. In 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let's do this. Kila mtu mikono juu, mikono juu, mikono juu. Mikono juu. Twende, 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 twende. Hold it my super DJ. Hold it my super DJ. Shikilia. Hey, pamne uru, pamne uru, pamne uru. Turn to your neighbor, turn to your neighbor. Ngija bati. Mie high five. Miangoa. Mie high five. Miangoa. Koneni ONAGI Show wamora ngoa. Koneni wamora ngoa. Ladies and gentlemen, take a seat. Jibu kaini chini tafadhali. Hey. We. Kisumu. Kisumu dongu wa mua. Are you having a good time? Huh? Hey. Ingena awinjo ka DJ. Awinjo ka DJ go thum kapo kadonje stage. And I came to realize gimomiyo joluo iwacho ni joangoa, jonyadhi, joangoa. Ingeni jaluo en ngama kata kowero ni gimiluongo ni break up song. I heartbreak jaluo to dhi odonje studio. For example, kingiyo ngato kata jo Jamaica, jo reggae, I heartbreak to dhi studio, thum mangano wero ni en thum makata nu weru tinyalo decide mondi mi angoa another chance. Eyudo kichwanyori gi ngato to dhi studio to dhi wero gimoro ni now leave me, now leave me, give me another chance, give me another chance. It's so hard to say goodbye. Yani kata ini nyako ineno ni ngani onega mi angoa. Jaluo ko wero ni break up song. Tinyalo go mondi med dar kendi dhi mi lal mi dhi chuth. Donge ni ringo kendi ne okariembi. Sani kori manyango mi manyane. Simete mi go we. Mane momiyo, in fact, onego benua somo kata from our neighbors. Magin jo angoa jo Tanzania. Ja Tanzania yudo ka ngato omae nyako. Ngato omae nyako. Ngamo omae nyako eno siepne. Kendo gidhi timo arus. Lakini kodonje studio moparo ni ngacho mae nyako to wish gi all the best. Iwinjo konyise ni Ted wacha wawane. Iwinjo wacha onge angoa chuki. Kendo chieng magitimo arus oro ne gi zawadi. Miwinjo konyise gini tena nakupa maua mpeleke. Wasije yatupa. Oknyalre. Ni mano oknyalre. Jaluo poko makata nyako. Lakini ko imagine gimanya timore ko mae nyako. Mito donje studio. Thumno en galweny. Ane daka ungum. Andaka upala. Ini diti mango. Ingeni kingi yogara jo Tanzania by the way. Iyudo kata ka thumbe gigin thumbe minyal wachi. Like an thum makikao ni chako wacho ka word after word to nyalo bedo mbaka. For example, thum Diamond masani lungo ni angocha. Zuena, si ndio? Ha? Zuena Kiswahili no to dhi baga. Aja Umabei. Eke jo Umabei mantie ka eri. Angeni da penjo no gi Kiswahili onge ngado tingo bade. Dok alof. Fuliza swali. Iyudo ka en gi weche minya timro knade. Minya wachi. For example, die thum Rayvanny maniluongo ni Mbeleko. Iyudo kwacho ni alisema nga dunia ina mambo yake. Ukiachwa na jumba podaja Umabei kikwi will. Uwinjo. En thum minya bedo piny. Tiwacho alisema duniani ina mapambo yake. Ukiacha majumba magari hizo zingine. Ineno en gima pod inyalo timo ang'owa. Imagine ni ikawo thum jaluo owadwa miluongo ni Odongo Swaga dhimuoch dong. Koro ibedo piny koro ikawo thum Odongo igogo mbaka. In nyasembo. Nyasembo ong'e timo ang'owa. Holiday super DJ. Hey, but Jo watimo tich maber, artists, politicians and comedians, everyone does amazing job. Situwapigie makofi one more time. Let's give them a round of applause. And by the way, talking of Odongo Swaga, ngeni jine paroga ni Swaga ni wadi Odongo Swaga. Ni Joakim Okech Odongo. Kata ka okung'eru gi dala, samoro nitie gimoriou. Donge Odongo wacho ga ni papo timore nade. Nikech be king'iyo gi tok, kata king'iyo gi tok ni giwere ahinya gi higni. Ok ni. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce Kondele MCA, Honorable Joakim Okech. Pare ni dine okija siasa nduru giri koro gigoni kata. Siasa ni mit. Kata no negative mango. Onegative mango. And of course, I want to appreciate everyone, Madam Dorothy, the sub-county admin Kadibo Ward, Wakili Rakewa, brother to Dr. Shem Rakewa, who owns the best dental clinic in Kenya right now. Sindio? The best dental clinic in Kenya right now is? Hey, umia feel ya puj. The best dental clinic in Kenya right now is? Of course, ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause as I bring on stage Honorable Joakim Okech Swaga to welcome us one more time and the entire county. Karibu sana. Karibu sana Honorable Swaga. Mheshimiwa Udong. Adwa ni mondo Honorable Joakim Swaga okaw thuolo ni makende mar rwako nyathi manyocho nyuol oko miluongo no ONAGI Show e dala mar Kisumu kaka Commander in Chief of Kondele Defense Ang'owa. Karibu sana.
Asante sana Simi. Adwa wacho Kiswahili tamba paro nya aja oma be.
Wacha kinyabudhe matin.
Okada luare kori odonge kamano. Ingeni be senja wan kech batheka ki wacho no achal go Odongo Swag. Koro ipenjo ga gima wachal ne to jomoko kudho ka ni wan go Odongo ang'e loro pap di bora ama. Koro gi jomoko be wacho no ang'e pimo di donge kamano. But I really want to appreciate Simi. Kenda dwa gonwero kamano jomochopo kate.
Asante sana.
Simi has been one of us. And we are very proud of him. Are we all proud of him? Let us give him some claps for thinking about us today. So I also want to take the chance to appreciate everybody who has made it here today. Because most of the times we normally appreciate foreigners. But today we are very lucky as ONAGI Nation to have one of our own here. And we also want to promise you, Simi. We are not just happy because you are in Kisumu today. But as Kisumians, as ONAGI, we promise, unless these people fail me, but we promise that we'll always stand with you, we will stand by you, and we will support you as one of our own because you are doing a great job in Nairobi.
Asante sana. Thank you so much.
Awacho kizungu kosoka wacho.
Iwacho.
Koro mane Swaga. Doge kamano. We appreciate everyone for supporting and for being with the team. Doge kamano. And I also want to take the opportunity to recognize one of the county government officers here.
Yes.
I don't want to get to that. They are all our ward admins, the sub-county Mwatiogo.
Yes.
And there are also other dignitaries that have promised they are coming, other directors with different departments.
Yes.
They are coming to be with you here. And it shows that the county actually wants to stand with you.
Thank
and
you.
the county is willing to promote talent. Don't come on, no. Don't wacho kizungu kaka MCA matiyo yawa.
Wapi
makofi ya swaga.
Wow.
Otherwise, thank you very much, Simi. May God bless you.
Wapi makofi ya Joachim, Honorable Joachim Okech Swaga. In fact, gimafwenyo mheshimiwa baba kaluwore gi kakoero nagi. Baba no wacho ni jumani ne en mana break mar mondo mi ubi angowa. Jumani ne en mana break mondo ubi angowa. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to appreciate the presence of Mr. Patrick Okech, who is the head of marketing of Renegade Air. Let's give him a round of applause. Doing amazing job each and every time. Of course, we also have the CEO of Trav Interactive, Mr. Dave Owane, doing also amazing job. Let's appreciate all our partners and sponsors who have made sure that this happened in Kisumu on this day. Tuwapige makofi tafadhali. But of course, we'll be coming in a big way. But before that,
put your hands together for the most amazing kienyeji in the whole of Nyanza. Round of applause for Mbala Mweze.
How are you people? Kisumu lenye manade no ubeyo nade ni. You look good, you looking amazing. Bas koro jo Kisumu. Ingeni wan ge counties ang'wen dong manu ng'e maber. Bungeni unu lo counties mamoko ero Raila. Unge county mo ero Raila malou. Nikech Kisumu ka koponi ng'ato pinga Raila. Koponi tema ni pingo baba. To in gi jodala unyako ywech nyako lwenda ulokoru ayanyi yote. Koro ja Kisumu winjo manamba stage kacha no mera donga se nyisina mi change koso. Ikasa nade ogutu miguna. Ogutu miguna lokore ayanyi. Ha? Moro be winjo wacho no mera biro pad ya nyisi nade. Chongo badu. Tangi yanyi ngato ni chongo bado ya baby ler. Okuluoro kata gavana former. Bas, koro adwa na par nwe gimoro ka. Ang'eni jiwa maboro mera dhano thagore idongo ka jomoko neno tabu. Ng'ongo ber wachna ni ng'ongo ber. An seche moko abedo piny aparo gik mane ichwada ne kathin. Ni ng'ato chwada ni nokaluokora ni natugo mang'eny. Duong' ber tinda lindo chilo kata ndala 4. Ka ng'ato penja tan ma wang'a kwar malumari. Adana tiyo gi joangla. Ere ng'ama go gini? Usewinjo wer moro wero ni Paulo na Sila waliomba. Gona uru bakabno. Paulo na Sila milango ya gereza ikafunga. Ya wanglen ko winjo gino mitiro ne wao mabe. No winjo ni Paulo gi Sila no gore jera mumu kodot. Bas. Koro gona ka wera kasadega. Ai Nyadunda makondu Yerandere Anerandere Esimbo makongolo Dunge simba makongolo E Paulo kisila yo Paulo kisila yo No gorejela Paulo kisila yo No gorejela Yo gore moturo dot Paulo deyo sila tungia ngia Paulo deyo sila tungia ngia Milango magereza go No mukore Milango magereza go No mukorete Gonna go back up Hey Can you go back up? Manu where my serious MC Benny can you go chak Hey I jack from Nyadundo amakonduma Randere amakonduma Esimba koro twaro Paulo kisila gore Yogi mukoyelam Paulo kisila gore Tungi angia toletna Ola sego yo Paulo nyejale yonipi Mano angolo timo nuoko Aya sikilia Kata thank you so much. That is my name is Ojay Woda.
God will have comedians. We have Kasuku, Ogola, Wazora in the backstage. We have Ogana, Omwanda Wudinya Seme at the backstage. Ladies and gentlemen, right about now, introducing the funniest from Subaland. Put your hands together for Kasuku, Ogola, Wazora.
Animali wanarom neko akodongo.
Hey.
Adino wanarom.
Simi. Jo Kisumu untie maber. Odiero. Sorry, I will not entertain Luos nikech in ng'ata achiel ok winj dholuo manya. Manya kama iyuda not wan sawa. Weche ng'eny to satin. Tawele nang'iewo karachar lakini Tiaga semoloke jothurwa Nairobi kocha. Awinjo kaswaka gini go mbaka moro mar geto ji start from humble beginning. Ana no wuono jothurwa anadongo nikech kony. Asomo Central kane chulo na sikul atiko gi Nyamasaria. Ang'e geto gi ma en. Isekale tok udi mag mabati ma ikale dirisat lakini ng'ato bede ode. To gipangore ka joma nie Mukenya madhi Siaya. Inyalo kata tedo michiem miluok sende milogi koke chechni kari tedo ka jirani. Ng'ato kobiro limi tibedo kode rada. Komo no dhenga urata ne otieno mano wach city madhigo isok ba we mulo gigo. Ya wo kanyo. Ani luonga ni osuko sucrose e keja setting Cuban Docotella. If you did biology, sucrose can turn galactose into glucose. I don't do that. I turn on a girl until she sticks on me like glue. Of course, I'm the cause. Nyinge DJ gilese go to atoya wabiro chulo. Nyinge an godo mang'eny mar manyo mogo. Jomoko luonga ni Ogola watchman mar Zora. Swaga uwacho ni nitie Jesse ya baba anan watchman mar baba. Nyicha geno kabisa ni kose donjo tadhiri to dhogede cha omera. Let na buy a lot. But it's okay. Ber kwa moro matin donge. Ngima tek okoyot. Ngima tek manyaka kanisa ka ng'ato dhi golo sadaka oken kaka chon. Chon sadaka jine sadaka ne dai kama tin. Ng'ato kalo to bolo mana mare to dhi. Bolo sani sadaka kawo seche mang'eny molo kata mana yalo. Ng'ato no dhi kacha to by mistake wiyo wil. Kare owuodha lufu kokia. Onene kodonjo. Kodonjo ni chubuko ni ena lofu. Oko wuoge dho sandugni. Koro ni pastor ya Krista ng'ati more kane miya utresara. Ba change na. Ngima ok yot jothurwa. Emo miya wacho ni jakom wabiro chungo. Oh, Musungu, I think now you are catching up, eh? You know these jokes are sweet in Luo. If I translate them, if I say yuko jamana in English, sek jamana, not funny. So just sacrifice for tonight. Baba ngamori yarema ngama, baba ngamaler kapamba. Ingeni jakomu, ya jakomu taero ya gichunya. Namba chel jakom katikona masane noko sabu kurini noko sokure. Jakom ngama kido injo kata mana speech ne. Nyakibedi ge third eye kodo third ear. Ibedi ngama deep. Deep koki buru jakom. Nikech koki ngama deep to gigo bro kali. Iburu winjo maraka mwakania. Gachiata. Okay biro jakom. Jothurwa angeni umor kodwa kaka wasani. Lakini gimoku ngeni usani wane otek. Acting ok yot. Nitie ng'ato miluongo ga acting ni extra. Extra we apuonju. Extra en ng'at moro ma kalo ga dakika matin e sinema. En ok nene ga sana. En samoro movie nyalo kata rumo makokoni ni nane movie ni to kinene. Lakini otimo ga gire no gi nguvu nikech omanyo tich. samoro kawi ni monde buonji koro ini nda buonja to main character wuotho ya kibuye nise chako buonjo kamerang ne yudi e bath ndara kibuonjo ise buonjo makoro lembi tetne ma koro sande wa mogik wapamni uru nyaminwa malupita, she's doing good abroad. Wale moni ya uoi joma chuo be kaka wan be wadhi wa act loka donge gima podi nyo momono wadhi kono jothurwa akuru ni acting ok yot. Nitiere scenes moko ma ji act ga e bedroom monde koro nen wuod chula nyako magi act godo cha oseridhore koro ngeni director wacho ni action wuod chula umoko ka. Yes, my friend, you were to chung malo kokane director kamina na gwameni achung tayari in gaga action ok acting ok yot jothurwa med ko kido ka nyar Kisumu moro ma Nyasaye ogwedho gikoni gikocha uwinja ye baba da biseta muri chiewe otanda ni bwana okay sarafu today wadhi urudala ni to ngacha da kuoge otanda ni to no haya otende ni jachula otamore chiew jothurwa anasa sandore mangenya ngimani okanya yie momiyo nyaka doge pap ka ba doge pap kaka swaga ne wacho cha kanya paro malongo kagonu mbaka na kaka na wuok gweng anadongo dala asomo Kisumu ka katieko otemtera e secondary kata wachni nyathino erungielo mang'eny obaya mbeta gwengwa koro gima nogola dala mokwongo en kalo ma joluo ni obvious nyaka idhi university koro duoko ni nyathini dhi university kaso joluo ong'e gimoro amora anadongo gi kwarwa may God rest his soul in peace Maurice Odunga Kasuku koro kwarwa ne nigo siepne ma jodongo ing'eni ka nyathini okalo to jodongo mi mbaka nyathino negi kony kamana de koro jaduongo wadgi ma asekala dhi university ada wuok dala adhi Nairobi my first time adhi Nairobi ne onge pacha dadhi maseno ka sani dagara Nairobi akia be okanya nyono gima notera mana college no koro jaduongo wadgi obiro miye advice ni nyathino luong kanye no luonge KU yawa KU ni ang'eyo ido lora town ni inene na mbele ni kama omia box kwarwa ne keweche mang'eny koro anomiya box ka ng'ama dhi e secondary ating'o fwach ating'o mattress ing'ena dhi e college koka da wuotho gi box koro wuok dala kiwuok gwase Orlando nyaka idhi nyaka Sindo kokiwuok Sindo idhi Homa Bay kokiwuok Homa Bay kichomo kanye Nairobi koro wiya goli gwase ka adhi Sindo kiwuok gwase kidhi Sindo nitiere rough road moro uywaga ni dak Los Elam wamor gi yocha oyom kaka nene no ba lamo de kethe en apiko mol kacha mama moro dong no japiko dhigi mama chakare ni to koido ni mama chakare no fuyo en kotundo Sindo ni customer lor onge to kidonja Sindo ni pap iyudo olwenda ma onego ting' ji adi ba erokamano ing'e jakom makorwa cha ting'o ji 15 dereva owuon ok ng'ich gi mbele gari ong'icho gi oko mar gari gia nitie ji ariyo modiyore ka mbele kacho ting'e ji 5 gia nitie ng'ama loko nitie ng'ama mako clutch buru kende magoyi kitundo Homa Bay itimo buru mapok odwaro ne kitundo Homa Bay koka yudo otange ichako pange gokinyi to nyaka receipt mare ok en mar gari receipt en mar gine mar kameuse hardware eming'ado nigo gari ni ma kosepong'a mopong' ni pup miwono dhi wuok kokiwinjo ni idwa wil carburetor kiani tiela chelo timere nade ayudo komba maber ating'o gweno madhige college bag na gi gigena tawacho niya an ok adwa ni aidh gari madhi kenda ma ok abede bath nyako maber adwa ni nyako mawuok dala kama dhi Nairobi ng'eni ma ng'ama dhi e university Koro adhi adonjo makao komba kenda maber. Kasa make sure ni mama kone nyako akete bag na. To gimoro de gola kani bwana dhi ng'iewe pi duogi. Ka duogo to mama moro nene gi nyithindo ariyo. En ja owando mena. Ayudo kose donje komcha gi nyithindegi. Omera ya mon udwa gonwa matek mok ber. Ka duogo dacho ni okay mama ni osekawo komni we wabed kode donge wadhi Nairobi onge shida. Dakika achiel osebol na machielo nyathini achiel. Osechak luonga ni anko. Anko ting na ma moro ni ajony. Na ng'iew bando nyathini dwaro. To en gari machwakore ing'ena abedo bath. To nyathini machielo modongo cha be podi dhaone. Imiye thuolo ni ni kokidwa tapatia anko. Dakika matin otemo manyo pesa ne mondo chulu gari. Tokona ni nikech oting'o nyathi lwete ok nya tundo kona ni anko. So na lweti gam na pesa ni apenja ni kanye ni ka. Ni intima ni idhi winjo coins. Mbele gari cha chwakore kama bede en butu dereva ka. Ochwakore oliet nating'o gweno. Ing'eni gwenda no check kapok atudo kata kindu bei. Awinja harufu mar gweno wacho ni ai. Ng'ama nigi chicken fry ka. Kare gwenda cha. Jothurwa weche ng'eny to sang'owa. Mbaka natudo godo kanye ei gari. Poka kalo kata mana kindu bei. Waromuru next time Kisumu ka. Thank you very much.
No matter where you come from, no matter where you were born, where you are heading is the goal. And if you put your focus well, you can always achieve and get everything that you've always wanted in life. Are we together? To support this, ladies and gentlemen, we have a beautiful organization that is called Shining Hope for the Communities. This is an organization that makes sure that the vulnerable and the people in the slums and in the community who cannot afford better livelihood are supported and are built in one way or the other so that their dreams can be achieved someday. And this was initiated by the CEO, Mr. Kennedy Odede, who is also a Luo. Tumpige makofi. So, when he succeeded in whatever he was doing, in his studies, he came back home and said, you know what? I might have succeeded, lakini jomodonka gibro timo nango. Sama iwuotho kendi to kimako lwet jowete ukiny kiduogo to giywa piny donge. Omiyo Dr. Kennedy Odede nokelo a noble organization called Shining Hope for the Communities kata miluongo nangowa. Ilungo nangowa. I just want to introduce Mr. Victor Odede and Madam Catherine, if they're here. And Job, who is the regional director of Shofco. Please just come for Karibuni. Tuwapigie makofi tafadhali so that they can tell us. Wow. Asante sana. Thank you so much. Hold my super DJ. Aya, erenga udwa nukuongo uo. Jakanye. Jakoni kosa jakoni. Let's invite Mr. Job, who is the regional coordinator of Kisumu, to invite and talk about the guests that they have tonight. Tuwapigie makofi as they bring. We also have Madam Catherine. Asante sana. Thank you so much. Take it away, Mr. Job.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Simi. Onagi umor. Onagi untie. Wanga gi slogan wa moro. Majo Shofco ng'eyo. Emaro na mosu godo. Ka wacho ni san tudwoko ni power, because power belongs to the people. Don't get kamano. San. San. San, san, san. Power belongs to the people. Agero kamano maduong' ahinya, Brother Sami, kuom choko budho maduong' machalo kama. One, kaka jo Shofco, kaka Sami wacho, watimo gima duong' mar kelo oganda kamoro achiel, nikech kobiro kamoro achiel to wan gi teko. Koro no wacho ni also one nature gimiluongo ni the talent, nikech through talent bendo yudo puonjruok malach. Aonge gi mang'eny, adwaro rwako Madam Catherine, bang' mano dhi kelo Mr. Victor mondo tieki. Karibu Catherine.
Tupige makofi. Let's appreciate him.
Habari zenu. Jo Kisumu. Mko salama? Majina yangu ni Catherine Gathura. Naelewa kidogo, nasikia kidogo, but I'm happy to be here and I want to nataka kushukuru CEO wetu Dr. Kennedy ambaye ameamua kusupport very promising talent in Simi Kenya. He's very promising. So first of all, I want to thank our CEO for his brilliance. Alafu niseme wale tumekuja nao Josiaya, msome tu kidogo.
Joka baba. Oknger donge. Hey, all the way from Siaya. Tuwapige makofi, ladies and gentlemen. Asanteni sana. Thank you.
Na wa Nairobi. Victor
wow.
Wilo.
All the way from Nairobi. Thank you so much.
Asanteni sana. Thank you. And I'd like mjiunge na Shofco, hiyo program ya Power to the People. Simtajiunga, si ndio Asanteni.
Jonagi umor. Dogwa mor kanyakla. Anado wacha matin. Catherine ose wache kidogo. Tingeno biro kae to chung kende. Kikuweo dog kende. Sawa. Kikuweo dog kanye kende. Sawa. Kae kawuono Dr. Kennedy Odede, the founder and the president of Shofco, Shining Hope for Communities. Oroji maromo 25 kae moa Siaya, jomoko wa Nairobi, jomoko wa Kisumu ka. Mund at least we support our brother, we support this show in nurturing the talents, Simi. And Dr. Kennedy Odede is so happy with what you're doing.
Asante.
Jodala wajo Shofco timo gik mang'eny. To Shofco ni wan kamora mora. Dr. Kennedy Odede miwinjo ni, if you may allow me Simi. Dr. Kennedy Odede en ng'ama odongo Kibra. Ong'eyo thagruok ni enang'o. Emomiyo ineno no focus gi jomage. Jodala wabe uwinja. Dr. Kennedy Odede ni kane oyudo thuolo modhi somo US. Nowacho ni mwandu ni ok nocham kende, noduogo mochako this organization. Sani wan Kibera, sani wan Madhare, wan Mkuru kwa Jenga, wan Kawangware, jodala wa wan nyaka Mombasa, Changamwe, Mshomoroni, Maweni, Kilifi, Bangladesh, tuko hadi Kwale. Wadugo Kisumu kae, uwinjo gi places masimi okwanogo. Wan Manyata, wan Nyalenda, wan Obunga, gikanye kendo wanyaka chiga ariambo ko sawa chadier wanyaka chiga ka ine Shofco tinga badi kae kise donjo ga Shofco ineno gi
wow
kuro Shofco ni kamora mora ka wadonjo Siaya wan Bondo to Shofco ni gik motimo gin kaka magi kineno gik ma TV ni ne nyiso kae nyithindo somo iluongo ni Kibera School for Girls, Madhare School for Girls. Jodala wa Kennedy Odede otemo mowacho niya nyithindo pradeksa ni somo US because of Shofco, free of charge, ma nyithindo ok chul.
Wow, wapi makofi tafadhali. That's awesome, that's a beautiful.
Nyathi mane odake mtaro, modake but mtaro, nyathi mane ok nenya min gi ok nenya chulo kata stima mondo som, Kennedy Odede owacho ni wamak lwet nyathini mondo som. Sani nyithindo pradek manyiri somo kanye in the United States of America. Wow. Jodala wa kae wan gi gima iluongo ni san. San ni en gima kelo oganda kanyakla. En gima kidonje tiwinjo mitne, iwinjo berne. Who discuss issues manyalo konyo. Ntie gima iluongo ni welfare kae. Maji golo pesa matin to kibedo bereaved, tibedo compensated. Notwithstanding san ni be timo gima iluongo ni economic empowerment. Wan gi gima iluongo ni Shofco Sacco. Jodala wa king'eyo sako mora ma jaluo chako. Luo Nyanza ka. To chung maber maonge shida mora ene Shofco Sacco ma Dr. Kennedy Odede emochako.
Let's appreciate Dr. Kennedy tafadhali.
To Sacco ni an machungne wakete Nairobi. In 5 years Sacco ni ose break even. Sacco ni sani asset base mare wa hao 1 billion. Sani asset mare walao 1 billion. Membership mar sacco ni is 13,000 members. San membership is around 2 million members. Kurugi ni joero jodalawa. To sacco ni kake nyalo donje, ichulo mana registration mar 1,000 shillings kende. Then inyalo save a minimum of 1,000 every month. And we can issue a loan. Ngeni work create products based on your needs. Koro saya mi donje sako ni inyalo save kodwa to wa mi loan. Jodala wa onge jo mabedo gi pesa unless inja wash. Kidwa meo maber inyalo save tikao loan tidongori. Wawinjore jodala wa? Kidwa meo maber, kidwa loso gigegi, idonje sako, isave wa mi 3 times. Shofko achiel muneno ni ene organization masani piringo malo e Kibera Madhare. Piok ring piny. Gitimo gimiluongo ni aerial piping. Aerial piping en pi maringo malo. Waingo Kenya Power.
Koro en water power.
Koro en water power. Uwinja jodalawa. Shofko ni sani, Catherine, I know we are coming up with a program. It's called Youth Voice Project. Wadwa ni youth stay mondo donje Shofko. Wadwa ni youth stay mondo donje San. O donje Sako. Wan gi loans ma wadu miyo youth. Magi nyalo chulo gi interest matin. Jodala wa Asla Fund nyocha inyo ukae. Ariambo. Dog Asla Fund inyo. To limit okumedi donge. Koro wan wadwa kelo alternative. Wadu kelo nu alternative. Munyalo chulo loans gi pesa matin, interest matin. Maki donje kaka youth. Be uwinja? Ki donje kaka youth, wadu neno ni yao biashara. That's our business. Interest rate and pesa matin moingo Asla Fund. It's why I'm saying we are coming up with a youth voice project. And it will be, commissioned by Dr. Kennedy Odede here in Kisumu. Wadwa ni youth target wa Kisumu kai wadwa ni youths over 2 million odonji mondo wakonygi. Nyalore, kosok nyalre. Jodala wa angeni okdawach gimora mora Shofko timo gik mang'eny ero kamano. Dr. Kennedy Odede wachona mosu sani oonge is in United States of America do bedo kae but angeni masiaya odhi bedo. Ero kamano ani luonga ni Victor ani wuodu yo.
Wanaomba namba ya kuwasiliana. Namba.
Achiu namba.
Ero kamano. 0726411361. Ero kamano.
Asante sana. Let's appreciate team from Shofko for doing amazing job. Cindy.
Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, put your hands together for the one and only Otieno Mata.
DJ Kat, ai. Ing'eyo gimaduga fwenyo ni kidwa ng'eyo ni ng'ato biro e show kae gi gari machal nade en mana kimoso lwet. Ing'eni corona nyocho rumo we amose ng'ato ka sasa mami ai lwedo yom nyowuoyo lwedo no yom mae e koro jaberang'eno biro mana gi TX first class tinted window leather seat fuel full tank ai wireless seat belt ne kako buonjo ai kumpige makofi tafadhali kata jaber mobete bathe cha kata lady ni boko yot mai koro ja Subaru. Ing'eni en ja Subaru king'iye maber yudo ka en gi effect moko kar ka iwiye kama na matin mago jokoko mawega dirisha mar Subaru nus mondo upepo cham wang'e. Aneno ka kwacha be koro donjo sibuor fwanegi ageno ni pikipiki no kiwegia no mare kata Kisumuka king'iyo maber kidwa ng'eyo estate ma ng'ato wuoke mana gi rwakruok ne my sister sema hi law no ken law kaloka kata wuoche mang'eno rwako ok en wuocha Mano wuoche makoro wuothe kabros mamili manika. Idhi ketho gini. Jokoni ok dwara. We aduo koni. Jaber sasa? Ai, nyathino buonjo mos. Launo mano lolu e kucho. Ngeni sero ber. To sero ka ber to seche manyako weyi. Kore kumi winjoga ni gini lit tweta. Emomiyo kiyudo nyako mawuok Nairobi, kisero nyako mawuok Nairobi. Mano nyako makata ka weyi. To kiyie ni nyako ni weya. Yudo kong'isi ni Aki Martin kata kwa were. To 50,000 mane anko wacho ni dhi miyo wacha. Osemiya adhi weni. Anko nyocho neno kwa wuotho gi tiendwa momiyowa gari no adhi weni. Koro yude nyako ndele nyar gi swaga nyako mawang'o chiek tweta. Nyako makiwito ne tear gas ten returning officer. Kondele oe. Nyathima king'iso ni jaber ing'eni koro an kaka Martin onego wawere sa oseromo. To gisema chungi kanyo. Ipimo wiya kosi wachanga. To mano be marito. Anna weichon. Ing'eni gima dhoge wacho gi gima chunye wacho opogore. Owacho ni an nase weichon. Kendo mane marito. To an kata kumineno ni ka wuyo weya, kakire ni weya ni okanyal ywak. An kata kiweya kuma weya ni okanyal ywak. Ing'eno okonyal ywak to ywak. Mano nyathi oseneno plot. Kondele oe. DJ koro miya mugi kadhi. DJ.
Aha. Yes. Wapinduru ya Martin.
Now. I need a pair of Yani unagala trosa ni okupar un sisa emodhiye. I need a pair who came here in love.
Who has been in a relationship here for more than 5 years?
Our parents. Only our parents.
How long does your relationship go? Zenyu zinaendanga miaka ngapi?
Miaka? Miaka?
One night. Aya, 5 years.
5? Aya, kuja. Come, just come.
Aya, yes, karibu.
Just come.
Here they are.
Hey.
Liwalo na liwe. Tangaza.
Aya.
Huyo hapa huyo.
So right now,
umesema ni how many years?
This is our 7th year.
Nice.
Mbona courtesy of the best dental clinic in Kenya right now, sindio?
Yes.
I asked you, which is the best dental clinic in Kenya right now? Certified, tested, and approved to give you the best dental services that you've always wanted. We want to give this pair something.
Aya, ngoja.
Ine no uongo mi wacho no. Emomiyo mari poko kalo jumbe adi.
Aya, malipo ni hapa duniani. So right now,
Yes.
let's continue. I want us to continue with this show because we still have so much more comedy coming up.
Yes, yes.
So I want us to, Ebu, as the chair,
Yes.
just give them the zawadi, and then we recognize our sponsor,
Yes.
and we welcome another sponsor, and we continue with our show.
Ladies and gentlemen, so right about now, ladies and gentlemen, courtesy of the best dental clinic in Kenya right now, that is Dr. Shem Rakewa Dental Clinic. Dr. Shem Rakewa Dental Clinic, we give this happy family a full dental checkup any day, anytime, so that they can keep smiling and be happy together. Sindio? Let's appreciate Dr. Shem Rakewa Dental Clinic. Shikilia DJ, shikilia DJ, shikilia DJ. Apenji. Ngami se dago igni abirio tim mielgo kanga mamwa ko sufuria maliet nade. Oh, haya. Oh, anasema huyu ni wa zile ngoma zinaanza na climax. Haya, so ladies and gentlemen, we give them a full dental checkup. If they don't have any dental problem, they will give it to anybody they know who has any dental problem, so that they can be sorted, courtesy of the best dental clinic in Kenya. And ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Shem Rakewa Dental Clinic currently is located both in Nairobi and in Kisumu. If you're in Nairobi, Dr. Shem Rakewa Dental Clinic is 6 months old at the Freedom Heights Mall, that is Langata Road at the MZ floor. They give you the best services. And in Kisumu, they are located at Mega City Kisumu ground floor, where they operate every Monday to Saturday. And one good news about Dr. Shem Rakewa Dental Clinic is that they accept all insurance covers. So if you're using any insurance cover, you can use that. Wapisha nguna vigelegele zake Odiero. Asante sana.
Thank you so much. Kisumu untie. Kisumu mupo. Angomi okai yango nungo na nyaka yo machua gonduru ya. Angani anigitika ka governor gi swaga. Intie. Anayo ne jomoko penjere to governor kawuono mielangoni. Yene wachale gitik. But amor kaka biro Kisumu ka. Osiepa jo kibarua man kauntie. Osiepa sabunde luoko pogre gi sabun luoko sende. Jomoko timo marach. Iyudo ka ng'ato luokre gi sabun luoko sende temo oluoko go dende. Kata kotedo sukuma to go ni karibu. Kichamo sukuma duma na tike. Ipo ka yier moro be ode ikanyi penyi ni ma yier makun. Kawuono biro Kisumu. Ing'eni Kisumu ni ema wabuogo go ji Nairobi. Kisumu ni ema wabuogo go ji. Ni fomano tuoni pesa bro go igoch Kisumu. Uoga ji design mane. Swaga. Mano design mane yawa. Kidi. Bwana nyocha neno kuloso rujire moro. Ma wacho no rujire minego go winyo mane ni. Yano rujire diro gi ji ang'wen. Yani police koro en oloro. Yo Kisumu amor ka biro Kisumu ka Kisumu kare en Europe adier. Ne wanindo milimani ka. Bwana gokinyi wasonga marengo kage Kenyasa. Bwana kara Kisumu ni en Europe. Lakini gimanano gi Kisumu jokuoge ma Kisumu pogre gi ma Nairobi. Bwana ka ini jakuo. De ng'ato king'eni de nikech pesa ne. Bwana uchumi rach ma tinde Nairobi yudo ka jara buon moro moko chiemo maber biro de ino mai. Ode ito ko chiemo maber ng'ato de imo faint. Koro mob weni in mi de. Koro gima konyi ni gik mo yude ofuki ni ayud sandpaper gi tools. Ya wajo kuo bwana be ung'e ndalo mana gina uchumi ber. Mana jakuo kwali maber mi wach ni mato jakuo adier. Be jakuo se padi ma en mogo nduru. But Nairobi ntie jokuoge moko ma serious bwana. Bwana jokuoge moko nyakwali nyaka dustbin. Be jakuo se kwali mi yudo ka ot vacant. Kar mondo iwage kata dhi e polisi ichako pake. Bwana yie maja kuwa dier. Vokaneno gaja kuwa majala kama. Ipake. Joma nyiri. Usiepa kionge pesa to werigi nyako man gi figa. Werigo aweya kabisa. Nyako no bro nyisi gimoro ti weno rach. Kionge pesa werigi nyako man gi figa. Ikasirigi nyako ni cheki, atoti cheki ang'o. Terwako lao jo safari komi cheki ang'o. Bwana nyako kose nyisi ni I'm not your type, weri kode. Bwana be nyako se nyisi ni bwana I'm not your type, get alive. Manye ngima, mi breathe in and out, kipimiri ka be ngima dier. Bwana kawuono iguro Yesu. Iguro Yesu to Yesu matongare no dhi ka police. Bwana Yesu ni beburo duoga dier makoro dhi ka police ni. Waburo rito Yesu ndi. Kaparo ndalo mane Nyasaye ochwe ji. Ndalo mane Nyasaye ochwe Adam to kete ginene. Okete bungu. Ene bungu goso gaden. Gaden e bungu. Gaden of Eden. E puodho. To keto Adam onero ga Adam mor nyiero ga nyiera. Ba Nyasaye wacho ni ng'ane nyiero mor moinga. Wachwe ne ng'at moro madhi thage. Moni chedo. To bwana bengeni hive nyako mane ber mogik. Machane top player. Machane Nyasaye no chwe mogik. To pare ni kidwa ng'e the most romantic thing in the world en thuol. To pare ni thuol no mayo Adam. Kori paro ndalo mane thuol oyudo Eve kacha bene pod onge lao. Thuol ka onjaro ne kako golo galewa ni. Enano ka Eve nyiso thuol ni thuol nera ibo chwanyri ka Adam. Monyiso nyaka thuol yani thuol be convince ngeni thuol dende chalo ga suit moro maleny. Nango mitimo gi ngama wuotho duk no kine loko. Thank you so much Kisumu. My name is Bernardo Diero.
Inano okarwako suit lakini I might say that I'm the best dressed. So if you know into yourself that you're the best dressed man, ebu simama nikuone. Best dressed. Thank you. Come, kuja. Thank you. That's the energy. Kuja. Come bro. Ndio hiyo sasa. Ngoja. DJ ngoja. Wanaume. Oh, okay. Nilikuwa kwa sawa. Mwacheni apite, nilikuwa nadhani wale wanakuja. Ningejiuliza, angoma raj ka. Yeah. So, DJ, kuna uhangalea ndege? Ama, manobo chachi? Nataka unichezee ohangala watu wa dance. And then I go and look for the best dancer right now. Dance the way you want to dance.
Lindo nega nyono boy. Nega nyono. Lindo nega nyono boy. Mamu nega yembo. Lindo nega yembo boy. Mamu nega rundo. Lindo nega rundo boy.
Toa mkono hapo. Are we ready? Are we ready with the results? Aya. It is very simple. It is apande ama ashuke. Sawa. So thank you so much for coming. Just go. So you are the winner of the air ticket. All right. So it's clear, so that I continue with the program. Sindio? Yeah. So sir, let me hand this over to you. Wapi makofi yake? Wale ambao wanasema aende home, inua tu mkono kwa heshima, amefika mbali sana. Haya, na abaki, wenye wanasema abaki kwa mishara ya mkono. Haya, wamekataa hiyo story. So, thank you so much. This is yours. Uandike muziki hapo nini, diary. Ndakuintroduce kwa mkubwa pale, ukitaka kuja Nairobi show, we organize for you to come for a show. Sawa sawa? Thank you so much. Wapi makofi ya Barmango, please. Thank you so much. And on this note,
so ladies and gentlemen, this guy is doing amazing job. Ama ajaribu tena kidogo. My super DJ, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, let's do this one more time. Are you ready? Any day.
Aya.
Ne. Tafadhali. Wege kanyo nitie jomok dhi dok ot ka wuoyo ka eri. Wasai. So ladies and gentlemen, we want to give this gentleman a return flight courtesy of the best local airline we have in the country right now. We call it the Green Army. That is none other than Renegade Air. Ladies and gentlemen, to present this, I want to invite the head of marketing, Fly Renegade Air, Mr. Patrick Okech, to present this to this amazing gentleman to fly. Sindio? Wapi makofi yake tafadhali. Let's appreciate Mr. Patrick.
Bwana Patrick Okech, kama pibe godiero, olongo walime, chino metonya kafinyoru, irinele mielorumba.
Wapi nduru ya Patrick? That's the Patrick. That's Mr. Patrick.
Beruka te kabisa. Akoroma Patrick Okech from Fly Renegade Air, Nairobi. Mandege mabiro pile Kisumu from Wilson to Kisumu. Next month beate rondege kendo Oma Bay. Angeni nitie joma Oma Bay ma kucho. Korate rondege kucho next month. Goro karkana chiko wadwani one way ticket to Kisumu. Nkechika hido kanyamia one way. Koro bro the duogo. Then I will also extend another ticket for a lady. Koro Aguero Kamano for the great support Mari Simi. Please let's come together to support Simi so that we can see him grow like the rest of the people.
Thank you. Wow. So ladies and gentlemen, giving him the return flight from Kisumu to Nairobi and Nairobi to Kisumu is Mr. Patrick Okech. Let's appreciate them tafadhali. Asante sana. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
God bless you.
So right now, I want to hand over that ticket to that lady who should go to Nairobi. And then I'll give you a surprise after that. Sawa? All right. So if you know you are the best dressed woman, if you know the first 5, I want you here. First 5. Imefungwa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're even 6. It is locked.
Hey.
Kuja basi. The people, the eyes.
Wakimani.
Yes, sir.
Kaluwore gi nyiri mobiro mbele ka. Gi nyiri mochung' mbele ka. Tasebedo kadok dalawa iga ka iga to minwa siko na manani to dak kibiro gi ng'ato. Penjo no setama duoko igni te away. Ok adwar ni ang' wach ni ang'eny gi nyiri Kisumu to kater gi dala.
Kawona kelo. Hebu piga kwaya hapo. Piga hapo kwaya kwanza tuwa sample. Ile kwaya hivi ile msimame kama kwaya line moja wote. Stand here like this choir, a choir kind of. Yes, stand here. So, ladies and gentlemen, are we ready to start this thing again? Tukosane tena. Tuko tayari? Haya. Wana tuchague best dress.
Haya. Nataka tuanze tukiendelea, si ndio? Wangapi wanasema ni huyu? Wangapi wanasema ni huyu?
Haya.
Relax. Hold it my super DJ. Wangapi wanasema ni hapa katikati?
Okay.
Aya, tutulie. You know why? You know what's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Whatever we are doing right here is just to appreciate and uplift. Sindio?
Yes.
And what we are going to do right now is that kila mtu mwenye amekuja hapa is going to get something. Are we together? Are we together? Are we together? Kila mtu mwenye amekuja hapa is going to get
a gift.
We were looking for the best dress. Na tumesema ni nani? Tumesema ni nani? Now. Na imade mangenya inya. Koro, gimatimore niya. Because I said some time back there, nikechina se wachuchien kachani Renegade Air is the best local airline we have right now in Kenya.
Yes.
Gima Renegade nyalo miyo jogi ok nyatamo gidonge.
Imagine. The best dance, the best dress, and then the best dancer. Sawa?
Yes.
Hiyo ndio anasema.
From Renegade wa Kimani, Mr. Patrick has something to say. Are you ready to listen? Are you ready to listen? This is the best news that you are all going to listen to this evening. Karibu sana.
Hey. So I will go with the majority, and we need the transparency. Courtesy of Renegade Airlines, the best dancer will get the return ticket. Well, the best dressed will get the one-way ticket to Nairobi.
Asante sana. Wapi makofi tafadhali. So, for the most dressed, ladies and gentlemen, we give it to the lady in red. Are you all ready?
Thank you so much.
Asante sana. Asante sana.
We have
now.
DJ.
Hold it. We are done with the most dressed. Sindio? We want to get the best dancer. Are you ready? Now, do we already have the best dancer? Ama wa dance tena? All right. We go with the majority. Wangapi wanasema ni huyu? Wangapi wanasema ni huyu?
All right. Sawa. Thank you so much.
So before we wind up, ladies and gentlemen, there is this beautiful young and little queen who is currently doing rap and is the best rapper we have from the lakeside city of Kisumu. Are you all ready to see her? Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only Queen Rose.
Ni PM to karaile go queen ginyongo to wane jotelo omera sani nyakutanga biro ka kai ane katalang kwa rap game nyakudar ne ka kichalo mera itar kidoka esoga aroko ka guji ane jakwa momea kibu bana kora ko kasuro ka boot de mapem ko bana ane kana papa nyaloga pu yo kanya to fani to gine ka tu mokota nego ka pile e boot bado naweza kuroka kijaka mulini ndoko lakini mjanja mziki siachi hata nada demo ka yosiki madoganda tangu ningie kwa game hakuna rapa mwenye mimi na dance mstari wanachora lem ndo maana wananipaji na coaches niko kwa race hawezi ni get kurap na rap than the rest queen ni saifa nyinyi ni maina ngoma ni ngori ndio the best mtani koma na sio chochote cheki vile nimeketi kwa sofa nikijua mimi mnao masofa nimekam ku take over game done 10 years in the game bado mnasaka fame young rapper in the game mimi nasaka na fame unanifuata hawezi nipata utajua mimi ni saifa ninawateka kianateka msolo mimi ni mafia queen bazenga bado natema hawezi ni demo
wapi shangwe yake wapi makofi yake. Now ladies and gentlemen uko na freestyle ingine tena ama ni yote karibu cheza freestyle ingine tena moja.
Nikikwambia kitu unaniambia sema hai. Hawa jinga wanajifanya kudai sema hai. Kitu yote nimesema unasema sema hai. Hawa jinga wanajifanya kudai wanapost hadi vitu azifai na sura mbaya kama mbuzi za Masai. Ukiwaona salimie usipite. Hawa jinga wanajifanya kudai wanapost hadi vitu azifai na sura mbaya kama mbuzi za Masai. Ukiwa ona salimie usipite. Niko na story moto itawapandisha. Sichomi foto ine sabuna zidisha. Napita kwa milango ama kwa dirisha. Hata MZ kishika na jiona kwa milima. 2020 nilidhani ni momoka. Kumbe ni dream nilikuwa na ota. Dream ya gari na mtaa mini oka. Na hivyo ndo watu walinicheza poka. Una cartel, kuongoju trend, upate fame. Ndo aka mwana try kuku help. Queen Rose, budani kubang bang chorana mapen pen music
Hey, how old are you? Relax. How old are you?
12 years old.
Na hii kuja ni kubang na bang bang bang. So when did you start doing this?
2018.
2018?
Yes.
How old were you at that time?
8 years.
Huh?
8 years.
8 years. So right now you are 12 years.
Yes.
Unaenda shuleni?
Sasa
ukienda shule, this is what you do during your part time. Ama
kuna saa ya kusoma na kuna saa ya kwenda.
Hata penye anaisema akirap. Kuna saa ya kusoma na kuna saa ya Let's appreciate Queen Rose, ladies and gentlemen. So Queen Rose, how many songs do you have? Zile umeimba peke yako?
33 songs.
33 songs. So right about now, there is also a lady who has decided to sponsor one song for Queen Rose on her next recording. Tumpige makofi. Let's appreciate her tafadhali. So Queen Rose, what is the biggest challenge wewe upatana nayo sana sana?
Kama kuenda studio, pesa ya studio, hadi video. Zingine kuchangia.
Yes. So right now, uko na song unafaa kwenda kufanya studio ama ni video?
Kuna song nafaa kuenda kufanya studio.
Na recording it is a challenge. All right. What is your favorite song?
Chumbu.
Chumbu. Chumbu ni nini?
Hizi mchezo za watoto wa kitambo. Sasa tunajaribu kuambia watu wasiziache, tunaimba tu saa hizi.
Hebu piga freestyle ya chumbu.
Chumbu kidede, mina pika sembe, mama omongega, omed gima embe, hapa si ndio, odi tunacheza tunarada, ukidunga tukakoti macho, shapagawa, mbogi kimonyoski, atunga chini, ebuliza chupukizi ama, eriko mondi vile mina kwanga bizi, nimekwama na sitoki kazi ngumu na sichoki, awa tutoni wadogo na wachapa na kiboko, mine queen, mina boss, niko juu, DJ cheza ngoma yangu ina boom, niko shua kama tiangi, kitu tamu ka sukari,
Wapi makofi ya Queen Rose? And of course, Queen Rose was brought here by her brother Valiant. Please come. Atuambie huu mtoto usoma saa ngapi na huu mtoto anaimba saa ngapi. Let's appreciate him for always nurturing this young lady. Tumshukuru. Karibu sana. So Valiant, huu mtoto usoma saa ngapi?
Every Saturday and Sunday, like hiyo ni part nini time ya studio, like with Queen Rose, akiwa shule anaenda shule from Monday to Friday, yeye anakuanga shule afanye anything, but from Saturday anapumzika, Sunday anaenda studio, tuna record.
All right. So what is her next project?
The next project alifaa kufanya na X-ray, the X-ray promised, but according to vile naona, like anaepa, so like Kenya naweza sema, if at all like someone can sponsor one of our song, like ningependa at least aende kwa studio ingine, at least iko high level kiasi. So unapata like the main challenge ni hiyo story ya kufanya ngoma na kushoot video.
Yes. So are we all saying that if someone is here and is willing to sponsor this young lady to do one of her songs or two, yes? Please come. Yes.
Iluonga ni Caleb kata molding doctor. Ada chung'ne wera chiel. Aoro ni sani. Aoro ni sani, koro inime ibiro manyo kaka nikech ata Nairobi. Koro kaka inime koro kibiro tudo record kata wadgi ni then nini.
Let's appreciate Caleb for that lead. That's a very noble activity, and that is so nice and good of you. All right. Thank you so much, Caleb. Asante sana. Ametuma bila fuliza.
Thanks.
Tupige makofi. Let's appreciate Mr. Caleb. Thank you so much. So, Queen, we will coordinate with Valian when you are going to record and how you are going to record, and all that will be courtesy of ONAGI Show as they sort the studio. Sindio? Asante sana. Thank you so much.
Yes? Guys, nimeshukuru.
Yes.
Actually, so you can go and follow her on all social media platform as
yes.
Queen Rose Official yenye meshikana. Queen Rose Official kila mahali.
Asante sana. She want to do some freestyle one more time. Are you all ready? Are you all willing? Take it away, Queen Rose.
Nilipotea ni kama pata potea, ushikanishije kibudu shapotea. If you know, you know, washanielewa. Maisha bora kwangu ninatembea, nina mahela, saizi mimi nagawa. Moyo chafu pia mimi nawapa. Wale wagamu saizi kuna wanawa, waliooga daily wanapambana. Niko na ngori nimekaa nina story, kuna watu miaka 40 jirani na mpa sorry. Don't worry, imtime mimi ndori na watisha kama kwangu wamepiga odi, kuna form imejipa. Mimi najipa na wacheza na mipira, mimi ndo FIFA na wauma kwa ubongo, mimi ndo FIFA na wachapa na kiboko, mimi ndo teacher Queen Rose.
Asante sana. Thank you so much, Queen Rose.